And some people don't come to another story for all of you guys. Tiwa Savage joined in the protest that Runtown and falz are leading. Tiwa Savage and also news has it that Toke Makinwa is also there. This is the live video she made.
Nobody should put any stupid comments in my life. This is not about everybody's out here working. We're working for our benefit. So please, nobody should put any stupid comments in my life right now. This is serious. This is not time to joke. Nigerian youth, you guys need to wake up. You need to wake. There are people out there that have lost children to this thing. This is not a time to joke. It's not funny. There's nothing funny about this. They don't take us serious. They think Nigerian youth are lazy and all we want to do is just jay and just make a joke out of everything. Do you want to die a joke? You don't have to rely on celebrities. You did not call out celebrities when you guys were voting on Big Brother. You did not need celebrities. You can do this. We all can do this. We all need each other. Everybody should come out on Tuesday. Please, nobody should put any stupid comments.
Any other news on this issue will be brought to all of you guys, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when we post a new video. See you when I see ya.